Create a website without coding. With Codeless. In this video, you will find the best restaurant WordPress themes. Number 1. Picante. Picante is a clean WordPress theme for restaurants or food-associated sites. Main features include a codeless slider, events blog, with customized dates, a built-in call kind, and a personalized admin panel. This theme is excellent for people who desire professional and also impressive online visibility. Picante is specifically constructed for the best restaurants, coffee shops, bars, bistro, pub, tavern, on the base of the WordPress system. The theme is compatible with WooCommerce Online Shop Builder plugin. You can easily sell online, accept payments, as well as have an online store up and also running in no time at all. Number 2. Rosa II. Rosa II is the sequel of the best-selling pixel-grade theme, named Rosa. This latest theme reimagines its preceding iteration in the context of Gutenberg. Build pages of all kinds, namely homepage, contact page, and about page, landing page, and even the posts and articles with Rosa II is like a walk in the park. Rosa is fully integrated with the NBSP Weglot Translation plugin, NBSP. The theme has a premium customer support and is fully responsive. So, to get the job done, you need not be a professional, a coder, or a geek marketer. You can do the same on your own within minutes. Number 3. DV. DV Restaurant is a premium DV theme that is ideally designed for all restaurants, cafes, and pubs. This theme not only has a flexible front end, but the pages and posts are also simple to work with. The location feature is available on individual pages with contact information, hours, maps, menu buttons, and the delivery service button. The food menus are available to download in PDF form. For each of the locations, the reservations page offers contact information. The theme offers a great selection of color and background images for making the website attractive. The theme features include vertical menu, changeable color schemes, table booking feature, custom gallery section, custom menu dishes section, custom footer, and much more. Number 4. Red Chili. Red Chili Restaurant is a tidy and also contemporary WordPress theme for restaurants, also any food-related service internet site. It consists of endless shade options, 8 blog formats to select typography alternatives, with 600+ Google fonts, 9 blog post styles, custom-made menu assistance, custom-made logo design, and also favicon, custom-made CSS choice, and also much more. The theme offers an exceptional system for management menu cards, food menu, beverage menu, and photo galleries. If you possess or run a restaurant, cafe, slow-moving food, store cafe, road bar, fast food, pizza store, gelato store, or anything pertaining to food, you should understand that you require an excellent-looking website. Red Chili can be utilized to establish an effective website for scenic tour drivers, hotel resorts, guest houses, BAMP, BS, camping sites, or any other business that requires appointments. Number 5. Restaurant Vincent. Restaurant Vincent is one of those best-rated and easy-to-use restaurant WooCommerce WordPress theme for your restaurants and cafes category. This awesome-looking theme simply allows you to easily create a website for your online services, like restaurant, pizzeria, butchery, or a kind of a food delivery service. The theme gives you its 6 homepage layouts, so that you can grab attention from your customers. It is also included with 3 food menu layouts, by which you can present your entire menu in better ways as compared to your competitors. It is a WooCommerce-ready theme to provide you with its full support and improved performance. Number 6. Grand Restaurant. Grand Restaurant is a responsive WordPress theme made for high-end resorts, dining establishments, spa/beauty facilities, but can be customized for any type of service. In addition, this website design template is totally loaded with the Isotope Gallery plugin that lets you develop superbly animated galleries with a modern appearance and also remarkable animations. Grand Restaurant features an excellent reservation system. The websites look amazing on the iPad and iPhone. Number 7. Rosa. Rosa is a bold restaurant and bar WordPress theme, construct to aid restaurant and also other cooking owners, to shape an experience that individuals like, as well as remember. Rosa has actually developed with drag, amp, drop page builder. Above all, the indoor layouts are responsive, which suggests that they look terrific, no matter what gadget you pick. Rosa is brightened, with a professional framework that seems entirely modern. This modern theme is perfect for creating a restaurant, pizza, catering, coffee, and WooCommerce food delivery. Built for people, bloggers, and also chiefs in mind. Users can select between 9 different demos, as well as 5 special blog site styles. Number 8. Delishco. Delishco is local, and also the purchase bundle comes with a plugin that has lots of customized shortcodes constructed. It supplies 5 ready-to-use design templates for fine dining, bakery, coffee shop, spaghetti residence, and salad restaurant. This demonstrates the commitment of the programmers towards making their clients' lives much easier, with a tremendous 20+ demos. The theme has elements like a carousel, slider, video, and static picture. Number 9. Cake Bakery. Cake Bakery is a one-page, multi-page WordPress responsive theme, perfect for your business. The graphics are really sweet and artistic, perfect for bakeries, ice cream shops, restaurants, and cake designers. But if you want, you can change the colors to match the theme for all activities. You can find fun icons in the kit too. CakeBake can import demo in just a couple of steps. Hence, you can have the website ready for inserting content and photo gallery in just a few steps. Number 10. Pizzero. Pizzero is a WooCommerce theme for fast food, AMP, restaurants. It is a simple but modern theme. It has multiple functions and simple layout design with the utmost attention to detail, keeping in mind the business purposes of restaurants that serve fast food, sushi, and pizza. This is one of the best designed pizza WordPress themes. It is highly responsive and looks perfect on all main devices. The main features of this theme are: comes with Bootstrap 3, compatible with multiple browsers, built with Sass, 4 header styles, 5 footer styles, 7 different types of home pages, 5 portfolio pages, 16 shortcodes, offers catalog mode, brand carousel, product carousel. Finding the right WordPress restaurant theme isn't always simple. There are some typical characteristics that a restaurant theme must have. Visit us now at www.codeless.co to get the best restaurant WordPress theme.